Hello, I'm Yellow. So today we hit 1000 subscribers. I wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed and watched my channel. That's unbelievably important to me. Thanks to you, I have energy to do YouTube while working on my full-time job. And to show you my gratitude even more, I want to give you a present. The big character that we worked on together this whole time. The link will be in description for you. As for the legal side of things, you are free to use her as you wish in your commercial, games, movies, etc. But please, always leave a link to our website. And you cannot resell her, she is free after all. So, what will be in the files? You will get a Blender file with the rigged model, which when exported is compatible with the Unreal Engine 4 mannequin. You can use that to make new animations. But that's not all. There also will be an Unreal Engine 4 project with already imported big character ready for your game. And I will continue to make updates for her, so stay tuned. I will be thrilled if you use her in your project. Please share with me if you do. Once again, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I work very hard to make interesting and useful content for you. Thank you. Bye bye.